What's up there, everybody? It's your boy, the blind bearded chef, also known as Zeke. But anyway, you know it's cold outside, and when it get cold outside, we want our soups, we want our bisques, we want our gumbo, we want our chowder. So you know what? I'm about to do something good for y'all. I'm gonna call this a creamy, cheesy seafood chowder in a bread bowl. So y'all know I love making bread. So I'm gonna show y'all how to make bread bowls, and we're gonna put our seafood chowder in it. So my scene gonna be different today because I'm visiting my mom's house. So I had to make up a little I had to make up a little kitchen on the table with her hot plate so my camera can be pointing into the ingredients and how to cook it. So stay tuned. Be right back. Y'all stay warm out there. Louisiana finally getting some cold weather, and I love it. All right, let's get started. All right, let's get this bread ready first, y'all. I got 2.5 cups of warm water in my pan right here. And I just put in 1 teaspoon. I put in 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir that in there. That's to activate my yeast. So just stir that in there. And about to use 2 packs of active dry yeast. So my first pack, like I say, I'm at my mama's house today, so I'm trying to improvise. So that's 1 pack. Each pack is 2.5 tablespoons. That yeast smells good. So this will end up being like 5 tablespoons of yeast. So sprinkle it in there like that. Sprinkle it in there. Let me give it a stir. Give it a stir like that. I'm not using a hand mixer today either. I think I'm doing everything by hand. See if I still got my old school skills. Alright. So we're gonna let this yeast activate for about 10 minutes. And I'm gonna show y'all what else we're gonna do. We're about to make these bread bowls for our seafood chowder. Alright, let it sit. Alright, my yeast is activated, y'all. Let's give it a stir. See that it's good and foamy. And I hear it. Alright. So in there, I'm about to put 4 tablespoons of sugar. Let's put 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 tablespoons of some more sugar. Stir it in. While that's being stirred in, also let's put in 5 tablespoons of melted butter. There we go. 5 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm gonna stir that in there. And I decided to make this a garlic bread, y'all. So I minced me about a tablespoon of garlic. I sure did. I want some garlic flavor in here. Stir all that together. And I got me 1 tablespoon. There we go. 1 tablespoon of fresh minced or chopped garlic. Alright, let me stir all this together. Alright, I'm about to add a tablespoon of salt, y'all. A tablespoon of salt. I got 7 cups of bread flour that I'm about to mix in here. Alright, y'all, like I said, I'm doing this by hand because I don't have my stand mixer, so this is bread flour. So I'm gonna stir it in a little bit at a time, 1 cup at a time, and I'm gonna get to the nitty gritty when I start kneading it. Stir it in. I'm the mixer today. All right, y'all. I got my 7 cups in there. Now I'm about to put my hands in here, and I'm about to knead. So I got 7 cups. I might need a little more. So I say, when you don't have a hand mixer, you gotta go back to old school. So yeah, I'm using King Arthur bread flour, y'all. King Arthur makes good flour for bread, and you know, has a higher protein content, so and it's gonna structure your bread better. Yeah, structure your bread. So let me mix all this together. Let y'all know if I need to add some more flour. Let me add another handful of flour. All right, y'all. I done kneaded it for about 5 minutes, and there we go. There go our bread dough. Right there. Now I got me an oiled up bowl right here. And I put it right here. I'm gonna flip it over right there. Then I'm gonna flip it again. Now we're gonna cover and let this baby rise for an hour. All right, y'all. There go the bread. See that? It didn't rose. Now you know what I'm about to do. Bow. About to punch it down. All right. Let's reshape this into bread bowls and let it rise. And that's what our chowder gonna go in. This should make about 6 of them. All right. All right, y'all. Put me a little flour on my surface right here. Take my bread dough and put it right there. Right there. Let me just get it right there. I don't want to change the texture too much. Just so I can get that stickiness out. And I'm about to show y'all what I'm going to do with this. All right, y'all. Put me a little flour on my surface right here. Take my bread dough and put it right there. Right there. Let me just get it right there. I don't want to change the texture too much. Just so I can get that stickiness out. And I'm about to show y'all what I'm going to do with this. All right, what we're going to do, y'all, this makes 6. We're going to cut this into 6 pieces. So I'll say maybe that's a piece. I'll say maybe that's a piece. That's 2. Maybe this here piece. That's 3. This will make 4. Okay, 5. All right. 6 pieces, y'all. I'm gonna have to put another little piece on there. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna just take it and you're gonna shape it in a bowl. I mean, shape it in a ball. I'm gonna shake it in a ball. Let's see, can I get it in a ball? Shake it in a ball like this. Take it down like that. So we're gonna shape it like, kind of shake it like a mushroom top. Yeah. And we're gonna place it down like so. I'm gonna put it on my put it on a parchment paper with some cornmeal at the bottom. All right. So you see it made 6. They're probably not all the same size, but anyway, what I want to do is I'm gonna take the top and put an X on top of each one. So just cut a little X. Cut an X on top. Hope my blind is cutting the X. Cut an X. Move this one so Chris. Cross. All right, everything's cutting my X's. All right, y'all, there they go. Now I'm gonna let them rise for about 30 minutes. Then we're gonna do an egg wash on top of them, and we're gonna bake them. All right. All right, y'all, look how my bread has risen. So I got me some egg wash right here, which is 1 egg with some water. I'm just gonna brush each one on. I got my oven set at 400 degrees, and we're gonna put it in there for 15 minutes at first. Do some more egg wash, and then let them bake for 15 more minutes. So let me get this egg wash on here, y'all. All right, there go the bread bowls out of the oven. All right, I'm about to cut a hole in them, and we're about to put the seafood chowder in the middle. All right. All right, y'all. There go my creamy seafood chowder in the bread bowl. So there we go. Give y'all a taste test. I didn't decorate it all cute for y'all. All right, let's taste this stuff, y'all. Let's taste it.